In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Dhgate customer service 2026 step by step. Start by opening your browser and heading to dhgate.com. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're signed in to your account, especially if your question is about a specific order. Being signed in helps the system surface the right options for your situation. Now look for the customer service link. You'll typically find it in the top navigation or near the bottom of the page. Click it to open the Help Center. Inside the Help Center, you have two clear paths. You can browse Help, which organizes answers by topic, or you can type your concern directly into the search bar. If you already know the keywords that describe your issue, the search bar is the fastest way. Keep your terms simple and specific, like refund, cancellation, or dispute. If you're not sure what to search, browsing is a great way to explore common questions. When you choose to browse help, you'll see topic cards or keyword groupings. Look for categories such as cancellation, refund, and dispute. These sections collect the most frequently asked questions and guide you toward the right resolution flow. Let's walk through a quick example using refund. Select the refund category, then click into the refund process. Here you'll find a list of questions and scenarios. Choose the one that best matches your situation. Maybe you're wondering when a refund is issued, how long it takes, or how to request one. The system will display a detailed answer right on the page, often with step-by-step instructions and eligibility notes. Read it carefully. Many issues can be solved here without waiting for an agent. If the article doesn't resolve your concern, look for the option to continue to online service. Click that, and you'll be taken to the customer service portal. From there, select Chat for instant assistance. This is highly recommended because it connects you to support quickly and lets you share order IDs, screenshots, and details in real time. To make your chat efficient, prepare a short summary of your issue, include your order number, and note any relevant dates, like when you placed the order or when tracking last updated. Be concise and polite, and ask for next steps and the expected timeline. If you receive a case or ticket number, save it along with the chat transcript so you can follow up smoothly. That's it. Go to dhgate.com, open customer service, try the Help Center search or browse options, and if needed, escalate to online service and start a chat for immediate help.